So I think that Hanuman is so much more better, more superior than me. Go to him. He at once jumped up Narad and went to Hanuman and glorified Hanuman in so many ways. So when he met, he began to glorify Hanuman and wanted to do pranam. When he was coming from the sky, Narad, at once Hanuman jumped up and the sky he embraced Narad, that he knew that he will come and do pranam to me. That is why strictly he jumped up and he catch hold of, embraced Narad Rishi, and slowly he came to ground. Then Narad began to glorify him. Oh, even today I have known everything, Prahlad. I never thought that you are so much lucky and so much dhanya, blessed. Today I am. You are servant, you are shakha, friend, you are soldier, you are general, you are doctor, advisor, all things you are of Ram. And you are served in so many ways. Today I knew. And he began to dance and began to glorify Hanuman. Hanuman told, oh, you don't know anything. But I think that you are master of love and affection. But you are tricky, that is why you are come to do any trick to me. But I know everything. I know that I am so much unfortunate and unlucky. Narad Rishi began to hear very patiently and well. What is it? He told that Ram had gone to his dham with Sugriv and all others. And he left me here alone in this world, that he should give bhakti. He kept me here alone. Now I am so unfortunate without Ram. I cannot serve Ram. And he began to cry. He had given me some chance to serve, but I could not serve him. So he left this world. Now he has come to Dwarka. And now he is taking service from so many. I think Pandavas are best among them. If you want to see any dear and near to Krishna, then you can go at once to Pandavas. They are in Hastinapur now. So quickly you can go. He told that, and explaining their some glory, that when Duryodhana wanted to kill Pandavas, at that time they were not married with Draupadi. Then Bhim was playing with them in any river, Jamuna river. They thought that if Bhim is dead, then Pandavas are all dead, because he is stronger than all. So they should try to kill him. Bhim was so fond of sweets. They made a very big laddu and gave him very powerful poison in that. And when Bhim came, they called Bhim to play, and then Bhim came and they gave that laddu. And at once he began to take and he ate. After some time, he was dead. And they throw it in Jamuna. Pandavas were searching that where Bhim has gone, where has. They were unaware of this fact. They returned to their home without Bhim. all were waiting for him. And then he went from Yamuna to Ganges in Prayag, and from Prayag with Ganga he went to sea, and from sea, Bengal Sea, he went to Mahasagar, Indian Ocean, and from Indian Ocean he went to Patal Lok. Patal Lok. And there were so many daughters of Nag, very beautiful, young girls. They saw him. At once they were attracted to him. But they saw that he is dead. They knew how to make him alive. They bite him. At once this beast came and quarreled with that other part and defeated and him at once. Came in senses. They took him to his father, and father told that you can marry him. They were married. And again he came here. And the father of the Nags told that from today you will not be affected by any of very big poisons. So, him returned. Who said? The father of Nag, who were they? Shankarshan himself, Nag, Shesh Nag. So Krishna saved him as in the shape of Shesh Nag. Sometimes Krishna saved them from fire. After this they went to anywhere in these guise. They were going here and there in these guise, in the shape of Brahmin boys, begging here and there. Kunti was with them. They heard that in the kingdom of Drupad Maharaj, there is Swayamvar. Swayamvar, you know, Draupadi was young lady and he was to be married. His father had told that, I can marry my daughter to one who is so powerful, who can shoot a fish eyes hanging on so much high tower. No? And she will moving and over a field having so many spokes. So, and anyone can shoot her that fishes this eye will, and seeing below a tank which was full of oil. Seeing there the parchai, the shadow of this fish, he will have to. So many trials. Krishna and Baladev were there. If Krishna wanted, he can shoot easily. But he was watching and giving a chance for his dear friend Arjuna and brother Arjuna. So many came, Arjuna, Duryodhana and Dushasana all felt. Bhishma Pitama came and he wanted that I should shoot and give Draupadi to Duryodhana. Draupadi at once stood up. If anyone shoot, I will marry him. So, Bishop Pitama, you are old, you want to marry me? So you can shoot, but you will have to marry. Then he left and he sat down. At once Dronacharya came. Oh, you cannot do. Do you want to marry me? No, I cannot. Then go and shoot. She was so bold to tell all these things, very boldly, not like yours. Husband will tell that you should go out my house. What to do? not like this. Very, very bold and very strong character. And once Karna came and wanted to show that fish sing. He was able, many to. But Doctor told, who are you? Who are you? Are you son of any Kshatriya? Are you any prince? He could not reply. I know you are Sutaputra, son of any charioteer. Sit down, I cannot. If you shoot even, I will not marry you. Then he felt so much ashamed. And said, I will take revenge. Krishna was seeing, all looking, and he was so smiling with Baldev Prabhu. But he never came out. And he was seeing that Arjuna should come. In the meantime, Arjuna told. He took the feet of Kunti Maiya, Yudhishthira Maharaj and Bhim and begged permission that should I do? They told that you can do. He came very gently, very strongly. And he came there, all was saying that, oh, this is Brahmin boy, having set a tray, and it said that he is Brahmin boy, a student. How he can shoot? He is not so much knowing all these things. But he gradually, somewhat alive, go away. Return from here you cannot do by a Brahmin boy, and you want to marry with any princess. He never looked here and there, he at once went there, and in a moment when he did so miracle, at once he shooted the eyes of people of that fish. All that Krishna became at once and embraced. Oh, you have done miracle. Arjuna told that you have given me chance. Otherwise, if you have shooted, you can have done. And Draupadi was to marry. But candy you have given me chance. So Krishna gave this chance. So always Krishna protecting other inwardly or outwardly, out. When Mahabharata was ended, Bhishma Pitamaha was dead, Duryodhana was dead, Karna was died, all were to dead. Then a struggle between Arjuna and Bhim was there. Who has won this fight? Arjuna told that I have shooted all. And Bhim was saying that I have done wonders. I have killed Duryodhana and all his brothers and so many things.
100 brothers.
So I am more stronger than you. I have won the race. And he was telling, I have won this battle. In the meantime, Krishna told that, don't worry. Listen me. Come with me. There is a boy on the hill. And he is looking. He was looking that who has fought so much. They went to that boy. Who is that boy? Barbarik, the son of Arjun's son. Ghatotkacha's son. Before the battle, he came to Krishna and told, I want to be any side of this battle. Either towards Bhim, or if you reject me, then I will go to Duryodhana's side. He told that I am a very strong Dhanurdhar. Archer. Krishna said, you are Archer? Yes, I am Archer. What can you do? He told that. In a moment I can shoot all. Bhishma Pitama, Arjun, Drona, Karna, everyone. Oh, you can do? Yes. You can show? How you can do? He took a flower on his bow and at once shooted. And that flower came to all here. So this flower came to everyone here and make a sign, his collar. He told that, like, I will take my bow and arrow and I will penetrate their hearts and they will all be killed. Krishna at once took his chakra and killed him. Oh, you have killed me? I wanted to see Mahabharata. I wanted to fight Mahabharata. But you killed me. So I am praying that I should not be dead. Keep my head there and I will see Mahabharata who is most stronger among them. So he is there and he took Arjuna and Bhim there. And Krishna told that, oh, Barbarik, you should tell because you are looking whole Mahabharata. Who actually owned the race, this battle? Who is most stronger among them? Especially between Arjun and Bhim. He said that I never saw Bhim and Arjun fighting. Never. I thought that Krishna was only one side and all were in one side. And Krishna killed everyone. So I am saying that Krishna is more stronger than anyone. So Arjun had did nothing, Bhim had done nothing actually. Krishna has done all things. Then their pride of strongest came outside. So by this he said Pandavas. He has said so many times. Once Bhim was going anywhere when they were in forest. They are all thirsty. Draupadi, Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Bhim, there was no Kunti Devi. In 12 years forest. All were so much thirsty. They sent me that to look after, to search where is water. He went searching water. He saw that in the way there was a monkey, very old monkey. And he is sleeping, very lean and thin, doing like this. Then came and told the old monkey, give me a side, I want to go. There is no any place to go. You are sleeping on the middle. In both sides there is mountains, very high. So I cannot go. But I have to go there. So give me any side. Monkey was I cannot move. Then told, they said, I will catch hold of your tail and I will throw out very far away. So give me anyway. He told that, oh my dear brothers, you can take my tail here and keep there. I cannot move. Then he took his cloth in his one hand and by one hand he wanted to take the tail here. But he could not move. He could not
lift an inch also.
Inch or anyone he could not do. Then he kept his cloth and with two hands he began. But at once he slipped and went so many miles there. And who is he? Oh, it means that he is Hanuman. He again came. Oh, Hanuman, you are my Guru, you are my everything, please be happy to me. Then he quickly woke up and he took embraced me. If you are in danger, quickly come to me. You should remind me, meditate me. I will also come and also help you always. So when he used to fight, he used to meditate Hanuman, and Hanuman used to come to him his body and so strong, like Hanuman used to give his whole power in him invested, and so he quickly can defeat him. So Krishna is doing all these things. Once Hanuman was anywhere and Arjun was alone. He was going to any place. Arjun met Hanuman. He told that, who are you? He said, who are you? I am Arjun. I am Hanuman. He told that, Arjun told that, I am thinking Ram was not so powerful, very weak person. Why he could not made a pull from his arrows? If I was there, in a moment I could have done a very big pull, very strong breeze with my arrow. Hanuman told, don't be so proudly proud. Don't be so proud. You are not a stronger. If I used to jump from one tree to another, Meghnad used to shoot me thousands of arrows. In the meantime, I will see you, can you shoot me 1,000 times or not? Understand what I am telling you? Hanuman told that at that time, if I was jumping from one roof to another roof, at the time of giving fire in Lanka, in the second minute, in a second, Meghnad used to shoot me with arrows 1,000 times. So I am jumping from this tree to that tree and you can shoot. Yes, I am ready. I will last arrow I will give you. Then Hanuman went to that tree, be ready, and he told, and he was going to be ready. In the meantime he jumped and he crossed. And he could not shoot any. Oh, how you can be like Ram? But if you want to do my test, then you can make a breeze of this river. And I will cross. I will go on foot on that breeze and breeze will broken. But you cannot do. I will do. So at once Arjun made a very strong breeze of arrows on that river. Hanuman saw a very strong breeze. What should I do? Here comes jumper to Himalaya. And he becomes so vigorous. And so many big mountains he took in his hair, here, there, legs and he became very happy. And he came at once, jumped up and came. And he kept his one foot. Arjun was palpitating here. What? Trembling here. What to do? And Hanuman was thinking that what to do if it is not broken. Both were trembling. At once Arjun called, oh Krishna save us, because you are saver. And Hanuman called his Ram, oh Ram save me, otherwise I will be if I am defeated, so both were calling, don't go on. Go on. So, both were fierce. If I am defeated, he thinks that if I am defeated, so both were calling. Hanuman anyhow remembered his Ram. He jumped before she telling Ram, Jai Sri Ram, and he quickly went across the sea. And here he was telling Jai Sri Ram inside, not openly, because he will be defeated if he is doing. So he told Jai Sri Ram, my son is in your hand. And thus he kept his one feet there. And whole balance he gave. But bridge was like that. It was not broken. What happened? Oh, Ram saved me. And thus he quickly took up his second feet upon that. And he just, at once he saw a current of blood was coming inside the bridge. And Arjun was doing, oh Krishna, save me. Come on here and save me. At once, Hanuman jumped up from the bridge and saw what is there. Why blood is coming? Oh, he saw that Ram is there. And keeping his back inside the bridge. Supporting. Oh, he began to pray now. Oh Ram, why you are here? And Arjun picked in the base, and he saw that Krishna had given his back there. And he is supporting Arjun. Both began to pray Krishna and Ram. He was saying same Ram as a Krishna, and Arjun was saying same Ram in Krishna. Both were praying. At first Krishna came and told, I wanted this, that Hanuman should help Arjun in the battle of Malha. He should always be on the flag of Arjun. And that flag will be called Kapit Dhwaja. And when any arrow will come, like he will and take. Sometimes he will shed anyhow. So he used to do like this. Hand Karni and Bhisham Pitama wanted to shoot Arjun. From here he began to roar so much that their aim was lost. So he used to say, when Bhim was defeating Dushasana and taking his arms, that Draupadi may come and take this blood here and to bind up his face. At that time, Bhim told, in whole world, if anyone is so bold, he can come and save Dushasana. I will defeat all. When he challenged all, Krishna was there, Arjun was there, and all were there. But Bhisham Pitama, Drona and Karna were dead at that time. So Arjun was there. He could not bear the challenge. He at once took his bow and arrow, Gandhi, and told that I will kill today you. Krishna told him, Arjun, be silent today. I have given my all the strength of Nishingadev today in him. And Hanuman has invested his all power in him. So you cannot do anything today. You will be defeated if you are going to quarrel with him. At once, he became silent and began to do like that. Oh, Nishingadev is here and Hanuman is here. So Krishna anyhow used to say Pandavas. So always he was protecting. Hanuman is telling me that I don't go to Vrindavan. Never. Because I fear that so many rishis, munis, even Narad, even Brahma, Indra, Jam, Varuna, seeing the pastimes of Krishna, they were bewildered. They became mugdha. They could not decide that, oh, actually he is Supreme Personality of Godhead or any go worship. Very simple. They could not decide. If Krishna had done some mistake, Jasodama used to chastise Krishna with stick, and he began to weep. So Hanuman is telling that if I go and see, I will do something offense in the lotus feet of them. And when I will go to Vrindavan, and I will see that my holy master, this master, Supreme Personality of Godhead, is serving gopis' lotus feet and dancing with gopis like a toy. Krishna was like a toy in the hands of gopis. So I will be bewildered. I may do anything false. So I never used to go to. So you can go to Dwarka and see Pandavas, they are more superior than me. So I do seva of Ram, but very little, and less parts of Pandavas. So if you want to see any devotee, you can go to Dwarka, or you should not go to Dwarka, you should go to Hastinapur, where Pandavas are there. He at once jumped up. He became so happy. And he went to Hastinapur and he saw that Pandavas was there. Pandavas heard that Narad Rishi is coming. At once they took in a pot flowers, chandan, chamar, besan, 16 kinds of utensils, paraphernalia, to worship Narad. They wanted to do pranam to Narad, but Narad wanted to do pranam to them, and he took all the paraphernalia from Yudhishthira Maharaj, and he began to worship. Yudhishthira and all their servants also he began to worship. Pandavas thought that, what is this? He is our Gurudev and he is worshipping us. Oh, you are certainly blessed. Your life is successful. I have never seen any devotee like you. He began to glorify. You should try to be humble like Narad and like Pandavas. Very humble. If you are not humble, you are not giving respect to any devotee, then you are not true devotee. All devotees should be have so much tolerance, giving so much respect to other devotees, not for them, for him. Don't try to take any fame from anyone. Always give respect. Don't want to take any respect. You should be so humble. More than a triniment, grass. And more you should be like tolerance, like more than trees. Not this is only in poem of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Trinada Vishnu. Try to be established in this, and you will see that very quickly you are very advanced devotee, very near and dear to Krishna. So we should try to obey Krishna, these principal teachings. First you should try to be established in Gita teaching, and then enter into Srimad Bhagavatam and Chaitanya Charitamrita. Follow Rupa Goswami. Gaur Premanande Pandavas ki Narad Rishi ki Very Kirtan. Where is red one? Huh? Why you being so? Yes or no? Mahamantra in very and it.
Hare Krishna,
Where Hanuman?
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Remember the Kirtan? Vibhavari says, you can sing both, but 2 lines you should give up and utter Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Rama Krishna have Hare from here. Can you do? Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Mu Rama Krishna Hare Griva. Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari Rama Krishna Hare Griva. Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari. Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari Rama Krishna Hare Griva. Rama Krishna Hare Griva. Krishna Mama Krishna
Hare